Everyone is talking about Sui. Is Sui the next 10x in the market, or is it just hype? CM and I are going to discuss Sui. We're going to discuss the technicals. We're going to tell you what we think about Sui, and stay with us until the end because we're going to make sure that you understand exactly our point of view, and maybe you will get out with a potential trade. So stay tuned until the end. Like and subscribe to this channel. Push the bell notification for us. CM, what do you think about Sui? Is it the 10x everyone is talking about on Twitter? I see it on and on. Or is it just hype? Tell me your take. I really want to know.
Man, I'm gonna show you what I'm seeing in the charts, but I don't think it's the next 10x. I think it's the next 10x to the downside. And I'll show you what I mean, man. This is Sui chart. Okay, I want to show you guys the monthly chart. Look at this. I like Sui. I love Sui, but again, I don't like this kind of candle. You see this kind of candle? This is a monthly, a very, very doji, filthy candle here at the highs. For me, it is probably not gonna do a 10x. If it will do a double from here, that would be a miracle. But I don't think it's gonna do a 10x, man. I think it's kind of in a serious trouble now. But if you look on it, and it actually had a death cross, man. It had a death cross. You can see this is the death cross here on the moving averages, and it broke below its 200-day MA. Again, we're probably gonna get a bounce with Bitcoin, and then Sui probably gonna rally above it. But once you get these death crosses, this is a sign that the coin is slowing down, is exhausted, and it might move into a bear market in the coming months. So we need to be careful when you are buying Sui and expecting a 10x or some other moonboy nonsense. Because
For sure.
as you know, Sui market cap is already, quite high. What's the market cap? Let me check it quickly here.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Sui.
It's already a big cap for sure.
8
Everyone
billion.
is
8
talking about it.
billion. 8 billion. So if you want a 10x from 8 billion, that's 100 billion. In the current market
Yeah.
environment, I don't think so.
No, man. No. I get what you're saying. I get what you're saying. But hey, I'm gonna give slightly a different perspective, CM. All right. I'm gonna give a different perspective. Look, everything that you said makes a lot of sense. And by the way, we need Bitcoin to help the market. If Bitcoin doesn't play well with us, also just gonna continue to the downside. There's no way around it. But I'm gonna show my chart, and I'm gonna say my premise starts that Bitcoin needs to become bullish again. All right. Bitcoin needs to continue its trend. If Bitcoin continues its trend, so maybe we can get something on Sui. So this is the full Sui chart. I want to show you something. So we had this, kind of horizontal resistance, all right, that is turning support, right? We actually touched this right on the buzzer, almost, right? So all this area with the peaks and everything, we touched it right here, okay? And we got support by it. So this is what is called, if some of our viewers don't know technical analysis, all right, this was resistance here, all right, we got rejected in this price, resistance here, rejected in these price levels, resistance here, rejected in these price levels, resistance here, resistance here again, and almost eventually kind of made it above it, but needed more time, only to clear this resistance level really only by November 2024 with inauguration and everything. Okay, so this was a big time resistance. This was a good trade. This was a trade we took in our membership, in our community, by the way. Both CM and I, we took this trade from here. Beautiful cup and handle. We made over 100% on this trade alone, okay? Which is not a lot, by the way, all right? If you take this in a crypto perspective, this was very average trade for something that is a new coin that people are talking how this might be a leader. With all due respect, ladies and gentlemen, this wasn't a big leader leading up to this bull market. This actually is quite a lagger, okay? So I'm not seeing the strength people are seeing, but what I'm seeing a potential scenario where this resistance turns support, all right? And maybe, just maybe, we can create a sideways move here. And if Bitcoin does break to new highs, maybe we do get a big move up, not a huge, not a 10x, CM, not nothing like a 10x, but as I said, maybe maybe, I don't know, a 5x from here. That might happen in a real bull market if Bitcoin goes to new highs. I can't see that happening. I actually saw it happening, in past cycles. I saw, things like this, kind of diminish, and eventually something like this is created that makes new highs eventually, something like this, boom, and I don't know, something like this, and then fizzles away. This is a possibility. This can happen, okay? But again, we must have Bitcoin on our side. Without Bitcoin on our side, this scenario won't happen. But at the end of the day, people that are calling Sui the next big thing and whatever, where was it in this entire bull market, right? This entire bull market, Sui was accumulated, went sideways, it broke to new highs, made a double, and fizzled back down. With all the respect, that's not a real leader. So I'm not buying the hype. Can this go higher, CM? Sure, if Bitcoin does. But as a leader, as a really a strong leader, I don't know. The technicals don't support this, CM. I don't see the support in the technicals. What do you think?
No, man, no. I actually think it topped out for the cycle, but
Maybe.
that's just my 2 cents. I might be completely wrong. And yeah, like you said, if it's gonna do, let's say, form a tradable bottom, I'm gonna
Yeah.
trade it because I like Sui. I made filthy money on Sui September, October, November. So if it's gonna do another tradable bottom, like it did in September, we're
Yeah.
definitely gonna smash it. Guys,
Yeah.
if you want to join our community, click the link below. Join us. We have a very good community for you guys. We have trade alerts, trading education, school courses, anything you need to flourish in this market. By the way,
Exactly.
Jomo, we also have this event we're doing. It's
Oh
called
yeah.
Master the Bear. Tell us about it a little bit.
Man, this Master the Bear is something that we made for you guys, right? We noted that no one knows how to protect themselves, at least, right? Minimum, and not talking about how to make money on the downside. No one knows how to do this in the crypto space. For some reason, everyone is always bullish, up, up, up. Guys, bear markets are part of the cycle as a bull market. Why not capitalize upon it? Why not make money on the bear market as well? So if you don't want to make money, you want to at least protect what you made in the bull, you need to come to the seminar. But if you want even to make money, which I think most of you do, come to the seminar. Either way, a bear market, if it's not already in, will come in the future, and you need to make sure you're ready. We made this for you, right? We made this for you to prepare you for a skill set that will save your ass and make you money, because CM and I know the real secret about bear markets. Bear markets are a money making machine because no one knows how to make money shorting. If you do know how to make money shorting, it's just like taking candy out of a child. It's as true as that. So what we suggest is, what you need to do is scan the QR code, go to our page, list to the seminar. It's limited availability, so do it as fast as possible. Okay, CM, show them the 10%. I think I didn't put them, but if they want to put a 10%, all right, they can use a coupon code that we created for them. I think it's different. I didn't upload it. Sorry, it's my bad. But I'm going to tell people about this right now. So just one moment. The coupon code. Wait with me, ladies and gentlemen. It's a 10%. It's April 10. April 10 is the coupon code. Scan the QR code. Go to the webpage. Put in the coupon code April 10. Doesn't matter if it's big letters or small letters. April 10. We'll give you 10% on this. Dirt cheap. Join us. Make sure you flourish in the bear market. Make sure you know how to make money in the bear market. It's so cheap. It's not even, a question. CM and I will see you there, and we will see you in the next video as well. Till next time, no edge.
No trade.
Cheers, everybody.